Our band's been doing this for well over 50 years now. That's right. But when we hit that 50-year mark a little while back, we thought, man, you know, it'd be a really cool idea if we could work up the first single that the Dirt Band ever put out. Back in 1967, The Summer of Love. Right here, right over there, Hayden Ashbury. We played the Fillmore with Blue Cheer. We were a jug band. We followed Blue Cheer with no electric instruments. Blue Cheer, if you're not familiar with Blue Cheer, well, you're from the Bay Area. Some of you are old enough to remember them. Most of you, I think, actually. They had Summertime Blues, you know, and they were billed as the world's loudest band. They were like, great, let's put the jug band on after them. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Graham. Anyhow, so so everybody thought, great idea, let's work that tune up. Except none of us could remember the words. So, problem solved. We went on eBay and bought a Nitty Gritty Dirt Band record. I'm going to send this out to our old friend, Mr. Bruce Kunkel, who was in the band when we did that song. Let's hear it tonight. Bruce! This one's called Buy For Me the Rain.
Yeah.